Welcome to the city of the future, a testament to innovation and sustainable living. This is our vision for tomorrow.
Imagine a $500 billion city rising from the desert. No cars, no streets, no pollution. That's NEOM, Saudi Arabia's boldest gamble on the future. Unveiled in 2017 under Vision 2030, NEOM spans a territory the size of Belgium, with plans for luxury islands, mountain resorts, industrial zones, and most famously, the Line, a 170 kilometers long car-free city run by robots, floating buildings, and AI home to 9 million people built from scratch in the desert. That's NEOM's shorthand, but there's more to the story. Stretching 170 kilometers at 500 meters tall and 200 meters wide, the Line is comprised of mirrored skyscrapers framing a central green corridor. Every essential is just a 5-minute walk away. Powered entirely by renewables, no streets, no traffic, you move via high-speed underground transit. But the dream is scaling back. Only about 1% is expected by 2030, with fewer than 300,000 people, not the originally projected 1.5 million. A 2.4-kilometer stretch may be complete by 2030, with the rest taking decades. NEOM promises zero-carbon living, solar and wind-powered, decarbonized concrete, and massive reforestation, planting 100 million native trees by 2030 and rewilding endangered species like the Arabian oryx. But critics raise serious issues: financial strain, labor safety, indigenous displacements. Some estimates suggest over 21,000 construction deaths since 2017. Weather experts also warn that such megastructures could disrupt desert microclimates. NEOM's leadership has shifted. Former CEO Nadmi Al-Nasser was replaced by Ayman Al-Mudaifer in late 2024 amid cost blowouts and project reviews. With oil prices below break-even, the IMF warns that sustained $100 plus oil prices are needed to fund the vision. Neighborhood planning begins in 2025 with partners like DMAA, Gensler, Mott MacDonald. A 46,000-seat stadium will anchor the Line for the 2030 for FIFA World Cup. Early concrete production is up. One factory can output